For years, content creators have been wrestling with a choice. Do you fly a dedicated FPV drone for that visceral, cinematic rush, or do you fly a 360-degree camera on a cinematic rig for impossible angles? You could never have both, until now. Today, we are dissecting the most disruptive drone leak in recent memory. The one that will kill the clunky, heavy sinew hook plus action cam setup. I'm talking about the DJI Avata 360. This isn't just an upgrade. This is DJI merging two entire categories into a single, compact, $1,500 powerhouse. If these leaks are true, and believe me, they are coming from the most ironclad sources, the Avata 360 is set to completely redefine how you fly, shoot, and tell stories. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Over the next 30 minutes, we are going to expose the leaked 8K sensor system, the radical, new spherical cage design, and the groundbreaking omni-stabilization algorithm that lets you fly FPV like a pro while recording a perfect, seamless 360-degree sphere. If you are an FPV pilot, a travel vlogger, or a cinematic filmmaker, you need to hear this. Turn off your notifications. Get comfortable. Because what you are about to see is the end of the line for clunky action camera attachments. The sensor, native 8K spherical capture, is real. The Avata 2 was good, but it was still a wide-angle FPV drone. The Avata 360 is fundamentally different. The core innovation, the reason this drone exists, is its dual-lens 360 camera system. Forget strapping an external camera like an Insta360 or a GoPro to the top. The Avata 360 integrates two specialized, high-resolution fisheye lenses directly into the drone's protective prop guard. This isn't a hack, it's a seamless, integrated system designed for one thing: perfect, native 360-degree video. The biggest leak, and the one that will terrify the competition, is the rumored resolution, 8K spherical video capture. Why does 8K matter here? Because in 360-degree video, resolution is everything. When you reframe your shot in post-production, you are punching into a small section of a massive sphere. 8K ensures that your final, reframed 4K or even 1080p shot is absolutely pristine, sharp, and detailed, even at maximum digital zoom. This is a game changer for content quality and gives you incredible freedom in editing. The dual sensors are rumored to be dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors, the largest ever put into a drone of this class. This means phenomenal low-light performance and dynamic range that you've only seen in flagship cinematic drones. The quality leap is not incremental, it's seismic. The design, the spherical cage, and omni-stabilization. The visual difference of the Avata 360 is the spherical prop guard cage. It's built for protection, sure, but it's also the backbone of the 360 camera system. In traditional FPV, you have a rigid camera and you fly smoothly to keep the horizon level. In 360, the camera can see everything, including the prop guards. The leak suggests the drone uses a modified sinew hook design with internal rotors, but the camera is fixed, eliminating the need for a complex, heavy gimbal. The stabilization is the secret weapon, DJI Omni Stabilization. Since the drone records the full sphere, DJI software